Hey there, my name's Justin from Keller Williams in the Burlington Oakville area. We started using Jigglar a few months back and actually did our first paper campaign with some of the templates that Jigglar provides to us. And we delivered, hand delivered week over week for 3 weeks between 600 and 700 flyers, and ultimately came out on the other end of that with 3 leads, 3 calls from those flyers. And that is super exciting, and I'll tell you why. In this area, the average sale price is approximately 700, just over 700,000, which means that each of those leads that we have now converted will basically equate to between $10,000 and $15,000 per transaction, which means that could lead us to between $30,000 and $45,000 worth of income. So a few hours work of delivering those flyers, which were very easy to print and super simple to use. My administrator just filled in all the information, really simple, and then printed them all out for us at home on our own printer, and boom, sent them out. And 3 leads, imagine that, several hours worth of work, $30,000 to $45,000 worth of income. Amazing. Jigglar works.